Hi everyone! In today's video, sinimulan ko na ang paggawa ng aking sun-charged pili pulp oil infused with calendula. Pero bago ang lahat, I have to make everything clean. This ensures the jars were fully prepared to safely hold the oil and the flowers. Pagkatapos nito, I place the jars upside down on a clean paper towel. Importanteng completely dry siya kasi kahit konting water, pwedeng mag-cause ng pagkasira ng oil. I decided to just use the dried petals instead of the whole flower to maximize the infusion process. Sunod ko namang nilagay yung pili pulp oil. I made sure na fully submerged yung mga petals. Once I added the oil, I tapped the petals into the oil using a sterilized glass stirring rod to get rid of any air bubbles. Then, nag-add ako ng konting vitamin E. This will help prevent oxidation, especially since may konting headspace na natira sa jar. Next naman, binalutan ko yung opening ng jar with a layer of film. Tapos, binalutan ko yung buong jar, including the cap, with another layer of film to completely seal it. I followed the same process for this second jar. The only difference is that I use a different brand of pili pulp oil. This will allow me to observe if there are any differences in the infusion between the two. So, here they are, both jars fully sealed. Gagamitin ko itong brown paper bag as sun filter. Iiwan ko siya dito for about 40 days under direct sunlight. Now we let time, sunlight, and patience do their work. Stay tuned for the next update. Bye!